I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm so excited because I went on a little bit of a shopping spree. My family surprised me with a little trip to a couple of places that I was very happy to go to. So I'm just going to show what I got from. They opened up a Daiso, actually two here in New York City. One is in Queens and one is in Manhattan. So I went to the Manhattan one and I got some stuff. And I'm just going to show you real quick. Okay, so because I have my lovely little container garden, I got these. These are little trays made of biodegradable material where you can put a little bit of soil and a couple of seeds and start your growing process. This is like a mini makeup palette, and it comes with the little flat piece to combine or mix your makeup with. But yeah, I've seen people in videos with this where they mix their little, solution for their personal shade of foundation or serum and mix it with something else, and then they apply it to see. So you may start seeing this featured in upcoming future videos. Then I also got these. I have no idea what they do, but no, I do, but I have yet to open them. This is a face mask sheet. And these go underneath the eyes and show you exactly where it's supposed to go. See, a little pink? I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. And because I'm always tinkering and, I'm trying not to, cut or ruin my fingers, but there's these things that are called finger cap, I guess they're called. Yeah, like you put these on your fingers. Really cute. The next thing here I have is a color film sticky note, 7 colors plus clear. These come in really handy, and I wish I had these last year when I was taking music, because it would help to keep my place in certain things and certain movements that we were practicing. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using these this year. Similar, but some pastel colors and teeny tiny. These are mini sticky notes. Aren't they adorable? Another sticky note, but these have hearts and they're longer. I just thought they were cute. I wasn't gonna get them, and then I was like, why not? I think 200 come in this pack, but still pretty nice, right? It just adds a colorful, personal touch. Oh, and here's another one of these face mask sheets, only this one goes across the bridge of the nose. And I think about 15 sheets come in each of these. Oh, because I have a white eraser board and I use that as my calendar, because it has a calendar grid on it. And then I switch it up every month, especially when I start with school, like what class am I supposed to be in? What project needs to be done by this time? It's a visual aid to help me stay on course. So this is like an eraser. It's cute, it's different from the normal looking, that looks like a foam something, but it's just a little sleek thing to have for my eraser board, which I think is very, very cute. You can't go into a Daiso store, especially for me, without getting what? Stationery, specifically stickers. You already saw that I got some, sticky notes. Look how cute these are. And this is from Tokidoki. They sell some of their stuff there, so cute. It's just the cuteness factor that I adore. Yes. It's like a hard notebook, again from Tokidoki. It's like a little hard notebook. These come in handy. Let me see. Just open it up so you can see. So adorbs. And there's to keep your place. And it's a regular lined notebook. It's not, a bunch of pages, but it's something portable that you can throw in your bag. If you're taking quick notes or something, just throw in your bag and keep it moving. That's what I say. It's about packing light, and packing what you need, what's essential. Next thing I have here, okay. So here's more Tokidoki, more stickers. Love, love, love. I think that's a dollar price, $2.50. So you can decorate things really simply without not spending a ton of money. Oh, I got another sticker. Those sticky notes, but look how cute this is from Tokidoki though. Isn't that adorbs? It's so adorable. So here's the other thing that I have here. A little cute little, isn't this cute? I was gonna get two and then I go, let me just get one for now. I don't wanna go crazy. But yeah, this is the bottom and this is this. Isn't this cute? Perfect for a window garden, which, you know, if you follow my channel, one of my interests that helps to ground me, so to speak, is working with soil, with the earth, specifically gardening. It's so relaxing and it's so satisfying. You do a lot of work, you know, it's like, you know, you're weeding, you're, you know, treating the soil to make it palatable for your plants. Then you have to worry about growing things from seed. I just love, it's just a wonderful, magical process to just see. And it's very life affirming how an innocuous seed, you place in a little bit of soil and some water, put it in sun, and it grows. To me, it's something I never get tired of seeing. The alchemy, the wonder, how nature is. It's wonderful. Oh, and I have something in the window, but I'll probably put a little picture of it somewhere here. I decided to use it for my window to put my plants on. So I'll post that somewhere here. And then last but certainly not least, I have a pencil case. Isn't that adorbs, the pencil case? I think this is one of the more expensive options there. It's probably like $4, $5, something like that. But yeah, I can put my pens and my other stuff in here. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll put some of my little, these and my pens, my little post-it sticky notes, and call it a day. Again, from the brand Toki Doki. Love it. So cute, isn't it? So adorbs. You see the packaging is just so cute. Okay, and that, my friends, is my Daiso haul. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unbagging, this time with Daiso, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, stay safe. Bye.